Hey folks, what's up? Hope everybody's well. Just out and about today. Took a little walk over here to the park. I'm back here at a spot you may have seen me before with the bridge in the background. It was supposed to be thunderstorms all day today, but weatherman got it wrong. A light sprinkling, I would say, as opposed to thunderstorms. I was over in the park earlier, playing around, got a few macro shots and stuff, and yeah, just thought I'd do a quick little video, try and keep that algorithm happy, and thought I'd show you some of the shots I took over here and show you what I was thinking about. So let me spin you around and I'll zoom in a bit. As you can see, the clouds at the moment are looking pretty excellent. I got some shots. So one of the shots I got was, I'm not sure if you can see it on this or not, could be too far away, was over here between these two buildings. There's two water towers, and the clouds behind them at the time, like they are now, pretty amazing. I used the Canon today and I zoomed right into like 100mm. So hopefully I can crop out the water, because I don't actually have any polarizers for that camera, or for that lens I should say. So if there's anything good, I'll stick it up. And then over here to the bridge. Again, I zoomed in as much as I could, and I like the water tower at the background. Kind of try to line it, square that up as much as possible. And then the water tower on the right, or the chimney stack, whatever it is. I don't know what to do with that, because I couldn't get low enough to give it separation from the bridge. So I don't know, maybe I'll clone it out. That was it really. Just there was some like really cool clouds happening, so I'm a sucker for some nice cloudage. So yeah, that's it really. Just like I said, a short little video. It'll probably be more photographs than it will be video, but that's okay too. And yeah, leave a comment if you have one. Like, subscribe if you feel so inclined. Yeah, we'll see you the next time. All right, folks, have a great weekend. Bye.